Hey everybody, my name is Chris.Buystedt of Guaranty RV here in Junction City. Got a really neat trailer to show you. It's got a cool floor plan, really great colors. I just love Heritage Glen. Walking into most of these trailers is like the HGTV dream home. Everything is modern. They really do a nice job with the colors, the textiles, and the floor plans. And this one here is a 24-foot rear living. It does have a power tongue jack and a couple nice sized propane tanks in the cover there. This is solar ready, so you could use a Furrion solar panel with it. Look how huge this pass-through is here. You're going to see beautiful, it's all completely finished and done nicely, as is this entire trailer. Nice big power awning. Double axles, a place to put a TV with your outdoor speakers for tailgating. And these trailers have one of the widest entries of any trailer. And look at this beautiful, extra wide, solid step system. Getting up and down is just a breeze in this. Come on in and check it out. So one of the things people love about this trailer is it's got great storage, a really cool floor plan. It just keeps going on for just a small trailer. And look at this living area. You've got a big U-shaped dinette so you can set the whole family. This also makes into a bed which will sleep two adults very comfortably. And check this out, really nice theater seating. Drink holders, everything, with a big, huge picture window in back. And while you're sitting in these comfortable chairs, reclining and enjoying yourself, you've got this wonderful electric fireplace. It's very beautiful. It actually will heat and do a very nice job. And a really nice Jensen TV. This one can move around so you can see it from all over the trailer. Also, check this out. This is kind of different. You don't see this every day. Nice pantry right here that you can use for all kinds of things, extra food, whatever you want to store and take with you. They've even got storage back here. Your entertainment system is back here, so you can play movies, listen to the radio, whatever, Bluetooth in. In the kitchen, you've got a big farmhouse sink, lots of counter space, ample storage. Isn't it beautiful? It's just what I told you, isn't it? Gorgeous. Look at this beautiful microwave, 3-burner cook stove oven. It even has a drawer for pots and pans underneath. You just don't see that every day. A really great fridge and freezer right over here. In this big spacious living area because of this big super slide. It's really nice. Now check this out. Behind this door is your bathroom. And you're going to see it's got a nice walk-in shower, skylight, vents, a window, very light. This whole trailer has a lot of natural light in it. You've got a nice medicine cabinet and a sink with extra storage. And behind this door is your master bedroom. So these are a little bit longer closets than some, which and they're very nicely appointed. You've got the barnwood look in back, storage up above, storage underneath. And you know what I like about these Heritage Glens? They actually give you a nice comfortable mattress inside here, so you don't have to replace that. What a beautiful bedroom. And it's kind of like an ensuite, if you will, because it goes right into this bathroom area. And then there's this whole sense of privacy out here in a big spacious living area. Really a neat trailer. This might be the perfect couples trailer, and I would love to show it to you and help you get it out and get it camping. You know, wouldn't that be great to go camping in something like this season? So give me a call. My name's Chris.Buystedt. You can reach me on my cell phone, 541-636-7878.